Welcome to Trading HT. This is Maxeon stock. Wow, what a crash, guys. It happened. We were asking you the question about this triangle. Will it be broken out to the upside or to the downside? It happened to the downside. Then we had this level being broken out also, kind of a retest, and the price dropping dramatically until current prices. Wow, what a trading day for Maxeon traders. Minus 14% almost. Let us know in the comments below your thoughts about it. Did you expect it? Remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Welcome to Trading HD. Remember to subscribe also now that we are talking about all these things. And let's continue with Maxeon stock.
And we read your comments, share your thoughts about this stuff because right now we need you more than ever after a huge downturn. We're talking about exactly the minus 30% since that breakout that we're talking about. We had a support level that it was starting out to hold for a bit. That's what's happened, and you can see right here the little push that we had in July 25th, and then the breakout. And when the breakout happened, everything went to completely to the downside, and right now we are trading at 0.14.
Yeah, what a crash. Wow. We had these levels being very clear in our opinion with that triangle. As soon as the price broke out of it, well, we could see a kind of a false breakout right here, but then the price started to kind of walk over that support area. The second breakout, sorry, was very clear, and from there this support area wasn't strong enough. You can see the retest right there, trying to push the price again into the bullish territory, we could say, but from there the crash was kind of inevitable. So did you expect it is the key question right now. How do you see the stock right now? Also, I think like the market situation, the general market situation didn't help this scenario, because everything is in red today and has been like this during the last days.
Yeah, year to date, guys, with this stock, we're talking about minus 98%. So obviously, not the best pick of the year, I gotta say. You can clearly see right here the chart is completely bearish, and obviously, even we have the earnings in 3 days. We could be like another huge move after all this weekend, So everything could be even worse or at least better. We have here the estimate minus 1.10. And the thing here is like if we have like imagine a reported earnings that is minus 1.30, the stock should go even lower. But on the contrary, if we have like a minus 0.90, the stock should go higher. That's how it works with the earnings and revenue.
Exactly. We have to take into account all the possible scenarios as usual. As traders, we have to be prepared for everything. So this is a very good example of technical analysis working out in a way that is almost perfect, we could say, but it doesn't always work. So that's why you have to take into account. Like you can blindly follow any strategy. You have to be prepared, and the experience as a trader from your past mistakes and past winnings also could help you to make better decisions the next time. So let us know in the comments if you were trading this stock, if you are already doing it yet. How do you see it? What are you going to do right now? If you want to share that with us, and of course let us know everything you want to share in the comments, because I'm going to read the comments in the previous videos. Alvaro can show you something from the technical side or something that he has in mind. I'm going to take those comments when he does this.
Yeah, let's analyze actually the EPS that we have, the EPS forecast and revenue. And look at that. We're talking about like an estimate right now in 3 days, minus 1.10, and then the next one, minus 0.72, and so on and so forth. So this is like the data you like to see, like a curve that is going up in the next quarter every time. Obviously, it has to happen, and the problematic thing here is like the reported is always worse than the estimate, and normally that means that the stock should go even lower when they release the earnings.
Yeah, so let me paste those comments very fast from the previous video, because you wanted to share with us some interesting information and some kind of forecast. Let's see how they went, and I don't know if you can see
I
those
can
right
see it.
there.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then we have our first one, positive comment. Great bid. Thank you very much. Really appreciate all the positive comments. And the negative ones also. We had a great laughs sometimes, with some comments that people let in the previous videos also.
Monday
So
we fly. That what
yeah, that
is
didn't age
not
well.
today actually.
Yeah, exactly. So how do you see? I think was the 8th of May. It was it? Yeah. No, the 5th of August.
5th of August, yeah, oh, maybe.
Now, this is when I pasted the comment. Yeah. So the comment was 2 weeks ago. I mean, I don't know if it was like past week or the previous one. If you commented this, yeah, Francis, you're watching this video. How do you see the stock right now? Do you think it will continue going higher, or did you change your perspective? Let us know below in the comments.
And next move, 0.27, 20 mils. So it happened, at least it tried many times. It didn't make it, and then it went down. That's the problem. The problematic thing with the stocks like this, that we have a year today in minus 98%. At that time, it was maybe minus 97%. It's a huge risk, and you need to think about it. Like, this is not Nvidia, this is not Apple. I mean, we don't have smart investors or huge investors in this stock, but actually retail investors and other investors that are losing a lot of money for a while in, or maybe years, because you can clearly see, imagine those people that are in minus 90%, those who bought back in 2023. Pretty sure if they didn't realize the losses, they are still there, because they don't have any other option right now. So obviously, guys, it can happen. You can buy a stock like this. You can find the best opportunity. Sometimes it works. I saw like the huge rally. Do you remember, Enrique, that rally of more than 6,000%? What was the stock of that? It's like, I don't remember right now, but yeah, we analyzed
Yeah,
it many times, and six thousand
I,
percent, in a couple of weeks, that was insane. But
yeah, future
it's
Faraday
difficult. Future Friday
evidence.
Electric is difficult. It's like 1 out of 1,000. If you buy a stock like this in 1,000 times, maybe it works one time of them. But maybe that's that one time it makes up for it for all the rest.
Exactly. So it's interesting, to see both scenarios. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it happens. So right here, we have more comments from the previous video. 6 days ago, do you think is there any chance that Maxeon goes up? I heard the company is facing 80 low shoes. Sorry. I already answered this comment in the comment section, but I wanted to read it right here. What we didn't know about that, I mean the AD lawsuits, we read something about it in the previous videos. Like there was something related with it. If you could share it with us, this subscriber did it, so thank you very much. And it's something to take into account, obviously. And as usual, we don't know if it's going up, if it's going down. We just can be prepared for all the possible scenarios and learn from those experiences. As traders, that's our mission. Be prepared for everything and don't blow our accounts. To be prepared for if the thing that we thought was going to happen doesn't happen, we can be prepared with more experience for the next battle. But if we lose everything right there, wow, that's the end.
Yeah, lawsuits can be very dangerous, especially in the United States. I remember Philips, a company that is very, very popular, one of the biggest companies in the world, and they faced a lawsuit, a very serious one, and the stock went down minus 85%, in just a couple of years. So when that happens, it's like you need to think about beforehand if it's worth it, to hold the stock in a period like this. Sometimes it's better to stay out of it, invest somewhere else, and then go back when everything has passed.
So we have two more comments right here. Maxeon over 60% short right now, squeeze soon. I think you mean like the short interest or that kind of indicators. We didn't comment it in this video, but I think like the market situation completely changed, in general. So as usual, these stocks that have less market cap, that the net income is negative, that have those kind of rumors all around them, tend to lose value even faster. You can see minus 13% today in just a day. It's completely crazy. Then we have also other assets right here. Faraday Future Intelligent Electric minus 16%. Mullen minus 13%. Of course, Nvidia was minus 6%, but this kind of lower market cap tend to have like more volatility during these crashes. Also to the upper side, you don't see plus 6,000% in Nvidia and in a couple of days, and you don't see 100% in 3 days as it happened with this stock.
Yeah.
So both sides are right there.
Interesting information, Enrique. Look at that. We have like a market cap of almost 8 million, and the losses of the last quarter was minus 80 million. Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, that data is completely insane.
Yeah, exactly. So thank you for that comment. Did you change your opinion right now or not? Let us know below. And then the last comment we have right here: Maxeon 3 years, $1. I think this is the prediction for a long-term kind of forecast for 3 years. $1. So we will see that it could happen. We don't know the future as usual. We will check in 3 years and we will read this comment. And if this stock continues there, because in the past we analyzed many stocks that disappeared from the market, and we mentioned that in those videos. Some stocks that are in dangerous situation could disappear and could enter into bankruptcy, all those scenarios, and sometimes it happens. Here, the scenario could be different. So again, let us know in the comments, did your perspective about this stock change? Do you have different opinions right now? How do you see the general market situation? And remember to check the other videos in our channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. See you in the next video.